Content Preview The Orca XLUUV program is intended to develop a modular, open-architecture long-range unmanned underwater vehicle. Boeing and Lockheed Martin will complete Phase I design activities by the end of 2018, with a single contractor to be down-selected for manufacture under Phase II. Boeing and Lockheed Martin have been contracted by the U.S. Navy to develop designs for a future long-endurance extra-large unmanned undersea vehicle XLUUV capable of hosting multiple mission payloads simultaneously. The XLUUV, known as Orca, is intended to be a modular, open-architecture unmanned underwater vehicle deployable from a pier or a host amphibious ship platform. Want to read more? For analysis on this article and access to all our inside content, please inquire about our subscription options. ace.com. Contact 125 of 495 words.